Hey family, it's the Gold Doc here with GRILLZ, and if you're watching this video, that means you're about to get grilled up. So if you order online, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna send you the material straight to your door, okay? And here are a few things that you gotta make sure that you have. One is the catalyst, it's the white stuff, and also the base. Don't mix these two until you're absolutely ready to get started. And they'll come in some little baggies that look like this. So make sure you always keep them separate until you're ready to get your grill right. The other thing you're gonna see are some trays like this, okay? If you receive two, that means you should have two of the base and two of the catalyst. So first things first, let's get started. Now, when mixing the catalyst and the base, you wanna mix it together until you see it it's gonna be a lighter version of this, but it's gonna be all green. So you wanna do this for about a minute, okay? See how it's changing colors? Takes me back to when I was a kid, 2nd grade. When placing this in the tray, okay, it's very important that when you're placing it in there, you want to place it in there towards the front. That's the way that you want it to sit, because when you bite down, it's gonna spread back. And if you put too much back here, you're not gonna have enough in the front. So as you're placing it there in the front, let me get this right for you. Make sure that it's evenly dispersed, but you want it kind of leaning towards the front because you want that real good impression when it's time for you to bite down, okay? The next step is you want to set a timer for 2.5 minutes. And because if you're doing this by yourself, you're not gonna have enough time. So you set the timer for 2.5 minutes, you bite down real firmly, and you gotta hold, okay? So make sure you hold it firmly for 2.5 minutes. Now, as you're holding it, you're gonna notice that you might start drooling or something. Don't worry about that. A lot of people do when they come in and get grills, okay? So I'm gonna show you the correct way to place this in your mouth. So the right way to do it is to bring it in at an angle and then turn it once it comes in and then bite down. It's gonna push out the front a bit, okay? Just like this. When you're taking your grill out, you have to place one of your fingers towards the back of your mouth if it's at the top, and gently tug down just a bit to kind of loosen it up. And then from there, you allow it to just kind of drop down on its own. Don't pull it out, because if you pull it out, then it's not gonna look right. You're gonna have lines or it's gonna be straight. You see that? Those real smooth gum lines? That's what we need you to do so we can get your grill right. Now, at the bottom, okay, so let's just imagine at the bottom. If this is in your mouth at the bottom, then you want to put a finger in there, either side, whatever side you're comfortable with, and you want to gently push on the back. Gently push on the back. What it's gonna do is it's gonna release the pressure, and then it's gonna kind of come up a bit, and then you pull it out. That's it. And last but not least, make sure that you put all of this stuff together. Put this in a Ziploc bag when you get ready to ship it back. And then from there, we'll get it, make your grill, have it out there to you as soon as possible. For now, I'm the Gold Doc, and I'm out.